Dvorsky and Robrick, the two rookies tangle at the dot. Robrick, the only member of the Wolf Pack to play in every game this season for forecheck. Kessel arrives at the right point to flip one in front. They score! Schuneman, with all that traffic in front of him, distributes to Alexandrov, thrown in front, they score! So Bleed on the right wing, Edmonds moving in right back to Bleed and a save. Transition the other way, Ruedel behind the defense is onside and alone. Ruedel to the net, fires Ellis, the save. Decision in on the right side, sends it around the net. Weird kick in front, Belzile couldn't tuck it home. Ellis down though and they score. Took an Mackey got around Kessel up the left wing, centering in the slot. A quick shot, they score. Some separation. Johannesson walks the blue line, fires the wrist shot, deflection, score! Matthew Pekka! Fitzgerald right wing feeds Sakura shooting. Ellis down, he had. Center, 5 to play. Robertson ahead for Hoffman. Hoffman right wing feed intercepted. McGing to the empty net. Will it count? We'll wait and find out. It doesn't matter though, the T-Birds win it. It'll be a matter of is it 3-2 or 4-2, but Springfield a victory today against the Wolf Pack. We'll wrap it up when we return. T-Birds hockey brought to you by MGM Springfield.